You know what it's tuned to?
42 hertz.
42? Okay, so it likes a little bit higher than notes.
Yeah.
All right. Very nice.
The reason it wasn't catching the low notes because I already got to smell it right before you walked up.
Really? Oh, I'm sorry, man.
Oh, you're good.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Could you tell me your name? Could you tell me your name and what's in here first?
Logan Pinson 2 ZVX B215s wired at 1 with a Scar RP 4500 big 3 upgrade on a 250 amp brand X alternator.
Wow. Did some work on the roof? It helped?
Yep.
Was it making a lot of noise before?
Yeah, it was a lot of rattle.
What's your battery and alternator power?
My alternator's up under the hood. It's all ran through here.
Okay.
But I don't have an extra battery in it yet.
Nope. Just alternator? Okay. All right. Did you build the box?
My team leader Peyton Johnson built it.
Okay. Peyton Johnson, nice. Is there an airport on the side or?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll see it after. Is there a way I can see the port and all?
Yeah.
Kind of curious to see how, if it's an 8 or a 10 inch.
It's not an airport, it's just a regular
Wrist lock? Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, that's a big one.
Pulse 4.
Nice. That looks good. You know what it's tuned to?
42 hertz.
42? Okay, so it likes a little bit higher than notes.
Yeah.
All right. Very nice.
The reason it wasn't catching the low notes because I already got to smell it right before you walked up.
Really? Oh, I'm sorry, man.
Oh, you're good.
Thank you. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around we got of Logan's Frontier truck system with 215s. Pretty impressive to see how he fit this box behind the back seats, and the amount of pressure was coming out of it, which seemed like it was tearing up his vehicle. So if you notice the way the box layout is with the subs up and the port facing behind the driver's seat for all the pressure flow, port didn't have not a blocking room by the door like some systems I've seen, and having the subs non-inverted was probably the best bet to tune lower. He probably could have inverted them. So anybody looking to tune your enclosure a little lower, just invert the subs. That extra cubic space helps. And if you see the way he has his kill mat, dynamat on the top of the roof, that actually helped a lot, including the foam. But I could still see a good bit of flex on that outside footage we got. So you'll see the subwoofer flex action outside still was really tearing up the cabin because of the pressure. So the amplifier mounting on the side of the box, never really recommend doing that. But if you have nowhere else to put it, it works, gets the job done. Easy access point for crossover tuning on the amplifier as well as hooking it up real fast. But always try to put the amplifier on a safe spot without vibration if possible. So this makes two 15-inch subs on 4,500 watts RMS in this system. We're getting a demo to now. Really tearing up his vehicle. So hit that subscribe button if you haven't already for daily videos coming your way every day. All right.
On the scene of light, king of the south, 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 grew up on the countryside of town.
what's your name?
Logan Vincent.
Logan. All right. Thank you for the demo, Logan. You have a good day, man. Y'all have a good day. Stay cool.